Same. Problems on adjustment of capitals. This is the new topic in the third chapter, 12 marks. See, let us see, based on the admitted partner Chandra, how much he will bring to the business, and according to the new profit sharing ratio, we should calculate the capitals of all the partners for the new firm. If excess, the existing partners can withdraw. If deficit, the old partners must bring money to the firm. So here Mahendra and Surendra are equal partners in a firm. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 stood as follows. Creditors 40,000, bank loan 8,000, capitals Mahendra 80,000, Surendra 40,000, totally 1,12,000. That is the capital of the old firm. Stock 39,000 is there, debtors 32,000, less PDD, less PDD, provision for doubtful debts on debtors 1,000, totally outer column 31,000. Land and building 40,000 is there, machinery 36,000 is there, motor car 8,000, cash at bank 14,000. On 1/4/2017, Chandra is admitted into partnership for 1/6 share in the future profits on the following terms. Chandra brings rupees 26,000 as capital. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 14,000 and retained in the business. Prepaid rent rupees 600, advance rent is given to the landlord. So that is an income that is not recorded. Now we have to record. PDD at 10% we have to pay it now. The capitals of all the partners are to be adjusted in their new ratio, new profit sharing ratio. What is that? 3:2:1. For one ratio of Chandra's one ratio is there, 1/6 is there. For that he brought rupees 26,000, and Surendra 2 ratio, he should bring 26,000 into 2. So 52,000, and Mahendra 3 ratio is there, he should bring 26,000 into 3/3. That is 78,000 Mahendra should bring. Let us say working modes. Capital adjustments based on Chandra's share and capital. So here Chandra's share is equal to 1/6. Capital is equal to rupees 26,000. So this is the, and new ratio is given. New ratio of all the partners. New ratio of all the partners is 3:2:1 respectively, means Mahendra 3, Surendra 2, Chandra 1. So new capital of Mahendra. New capital of Mahendra, that is 26,000 for one share of Chandra into 3. That is 78,000. New capital of new capital of Surendra. $26,000. This is the 26,000 brought by the Chandra, a new admitted partner, and ratio is given to Surendra is 2, that is 52,000. And no need new capital or capital, both are same. New capital of Chandra, so 26,000. This is the, so partners Mahendra, Surendra, Chandra, new capitals 78,000 is to 52,000, 26,000. Only to the calculation of new capital we should use the new profit sharing ratio. The rest of the things only old partners is entitled to get with the old ratio. So new ratio is 3:2:1. Based on Chandra's capital and ratio, this is the 26,000 for one ratio. For two ratio, 26 into 2, 52,000. 26,000 into 3, 78,000. These are the capital balances which is essential for the new firm, either the old partner or new partner. Now, as usual, revaluation account. Say now, revaluation account. Let us see one by one. Goodwill owned record, motor car and machinery depreciated by 20% and 3,800 respectively. Motor car is 8,000 to motor car account 8,000 into 20 by 100. 1,600 to machinery account. Calculated amount is given, that is 3,800. After that, prepaid rent by rent account 600. PDD at 10% to PDD at a rate of 10%. So 3,200 minus already 1,000 is there. That 1,000 totally now 2,200 is the new creation in the name of PDD. So everything is over to by partners capital account Mahendra, Surendra, say debit side is more, expenses are more. So here totally 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 16, carry 1. So 7,600 on the debit side. Debit side is 7,600 in the sense those are the expenses and losses which is incurred by the firm. 7,600 minus 600, that is 7,000 into equal partners. Fold ratio is equal. Mahendra and Surendra are equal partners. This is most important. At the time of distribution of any profits or losses, we should consider old ratio, old profit sharing ratio only at the time of the calculation of the new capitals to the new firm. Then only we have to consider the new profit sharing ratio which is given in 3:2:1, and that capital we have to calculate based on the newly admitted partner, that is Chandra, which is brought into the business rupees 26,000. Now equal partners means 3,500 and 7,000 into half 3,500. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 in the sense only two partners are there. So call it 1:1. 1:1 means 1 by 2, 1 by 2. If there are 3 members, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. If there are 4 members, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So 7,000 is there. Totally both the columns to close. Above the figure 1 line, below the figure 2 lines, that is 7,600. Now coming to the all partners capital account. See, this all partners capital account comes under the personal account. Apply the personal account rules and record the transactions. So now one more column you have to draw because one more admitted partner is there. So particulars Mahendra, Surendra, Chandra. Particulars Mahendra, Surendra, Chandra. So as usual, old capital balances. So old partners, old capital balances. So my balance brought down. No changes in this. 80,000 and 40,000 respectively. And by cash account, this is the cash amount that is brought by the newly admitted partner Chandra in the form of capital, that is 26,000. By goodwill account, goodwill is 14,000 in 1:1 ratio only, old ratio, that is 7,000 and 7,000. No need of distribution for the new partner. 2. Revaluation account. To revaluation account, 3,500 is the loss. 3,500 is the loss. No result in this problem. No need. Now, to balance carry down, that is calculated based on admitted partner, capital and share. That is 78,000, 52,000 and 26,000. So now which side is more? Say. So here 87,000 minus 81,500. So to cash account 5,500 give to him, and see here 47,000 is there, here 55,500 is there. 500 55,000 minus 47,000, 8,500. So now both the columns are total. This is the capital adjustment. Wherever there is a less by cash account brought, paid. This is paid. So now 87,000 here, 55,500 here, 26,000, 87,000 here, 55,500 here, 26,000. Now, balance sheet. Only cash adjustment, that is the problematic. The rest is not the same. Liabilities, rupees, assets, rupees. New balance sheet, of the firm. So now, creditors 40,000, bank loan 8,000, capitals Mahendra, Surendra, Chandra. So here 78,000, here 52,000, 26,000. Say then 16. Carry 1,56,000. Coming to the stock. Stock is 39,000. No adjustment, directly write in the outer column 39,000. Debtors 32,000 less old and new PDD, that is 1,000 plus 2,200, that is 3,200, 800. 28,800. Land and building no adjustments 40,000. No adjustments 40,000. Machinery 36,000 less revaluation 3,800, 32,200. Next, motor car 8,000 less 20% depreciation 1,600, 6,400. Cash at bank, that is 14,000, and Chandra Capital, at Chandra Capital 26,000, and who got here Surendra Capital account 8,500. So here 48,500, 48,500 less Mahindra 5,500, 43,000 cash. Next, prepaid range 600, so totally both the columns 2,04,000, 2,04,000, 2,04,000. So one more. Land and building 40,000. Goodwill. Goodwill is there, that is 14,000. That is 2,00,000.